we are going to install some tools. Okay, these tools are Java JDK and Trivy, Kubectl, Node.js, npm. Okay, so if you are going to install multiple tools, I will be also doing this. Okay, I will just create a sh file, okay, here, because I want to execute using a script. Okay, so it will be faster. It is automation. Okay, I will be just copying some content. Okay, so I will also share this on my article. Okay, so I will just paste these lines. Okay, uh, if I explain you here, okay, what this will be doing here. Okay, this is going to install kubectl, node.js, and the Trivy, as well as it will update our files. If you just go to insert mode, okay, and if I go at the top of this file, you can see it will install all these things: Java, okay, JDK, Trivy. For the image scanning we will be using, and kubectl and node.js. Okay, so we have to just save it. Okay, and done. When it's saved, we have to run this. Okay, so to run this, to make this file executable, okay, no, we have to run this file run.sh. Okay, okay, so it will install all the packages, okay, that we have listed in our script. Okay, so it is going to install these packages. Then if you want to confirm these packages, okay, you can also confirm if any package is installed or not installed. Okay, so we can also use that. Okay, you can see the packages are installed. Okay, no, if you want to check the variants, okay, just run these commands. Okay, don't worry, these commands are available in my article. Okay, so I will just confirm Java variant is installed. Okay, kubectl and node, everything is okay installed. Okay, done.